This fall winter season, we're seeing a lot of fun makeup trends. In this makeup look, I'm going to show you how to bring two of those together. I've already put on my foundation and primers. I've got eye primer, lip primer on, so we're ready to get started. I've also done my brows. One of the trends is the played up eyes with eyeliner. In the spring and summer, we saw lots of colorful eyeliners were on trend. And this trend is, bringing the color down a little bit, but more in design line and impact, as far as like doing a subtle cat eye or a smoky eye or a smudgy eye. And that's how they're playing up the eyes this season. So I want to show you a smudgy eye, which just means like a diffused eyeliner, a little more depth right around the line of the eyes. And then we're going to do some deep lips. So again, last fall, the trend was red lips, and we're seeing that expand a little bit more to like a deep brown, still the reds, but also even deepening that red to more of a black cherry, which is the color that's on trend this season, along with this lighter, brighter blue. But we're not going to wear that on our face today. I'll keep that on my sweater, and we'll bring in the black cherry into the lips. So let's get started. For the eyes, I'm going to actually start with an eyeliner. I usually end with an eyeliner, but because we're really focusing on that line around the eyes, I'm going to start with it, and then we're going to work our way up. So for this, I am using the brown smudge eyeliner. It has like this smudgy brush on the back, so it's a really nice deep brown, and then you just can use that tip to smudge it. I'll wipe that off and it has staying power too. Like, this is a really good eyeliner. So I'm just going to go straight across the eye. I won't go all the way. I'll probably just stop like 3/4. And then when I open my eye, I can see, oh, that line looks a little bit short. I want to bring it longer. It's so funny because when it's out, I'm like, that's so long. I don't want to go drawing across my face. But when then I let my eye relax, like, there's definitely more room to pull and lift. That's what this eyeliner is going to do. It's just help lift the eyes and create that romantic quality. So rather than going down, just kind of cheat up. Okay, just little flicks. Might be a little too much, but we're going to blend. Okay, other eye. 3/4 of the way. It's going to be all, bumpy. That's okay right now. And then just a little bit longer. Flick up. We can work with that. All right, then I'm going to go under. Thinnest little line. Less than half. Crossed, kind of meeting in the middle right there. That's gonna bug me, so I'm gonna take that off with a little Q-tip, just the top of it. Okay, now I'm going to take my eyeliner brush and I'm going to dip into brown silver, and I'm going to go right over the top of it, plus a little more, and this is going to help work that eyeliner in and then also soften it. You can see, and this brown silver is the perfect color. It has a depth and also obviously brown silver, so it's got the depth of the brown, but then the silver will help really soften the brown and create that smoky diffused look. So I like to do little short brush strokes. I'm going along the eyeliner, then I'm bringing it up a little bit too onto the lid, because it's going to eventually fade into the eyeshadow look that I'm doing. Now I'm taking the crease brush, precision crease brush, and I'm going to roll to get it all on that dome. And this eye look I'm keeping on the lid. Usually I'll start with my eye look being kind of upward, but I'm going to keep it around the eyelash line to create that diffused look. Okay, so I'm filling in the lid now. Just right over that eyeliner line, but just bringing it up even more to the crease. But avoiding getting too much into the inner points of the eye, because if you get dark color in there, it's going to really close your eyes up. And you know what? I'm going to tap the little tip and pull under, because having that little bit of color underneath also creates that smoky look. Okay, now I'm going to use Shiraz eyeshadow next. This is a fun color this season because black cherry is the color on trend. And I think that this falls into that category really well. I'm using our angled brush now. And I'm just going to right here, just work that in. Doesn't that look nice to have that little bit of depth with that berry color, the Shiraz? Just don't put on too much. I've learned instead of swipe, swipe, swipe with these colors, you can do swipe all you want with these lighter ones. Woo! With these dark colors, just a little tap. Tap, tap, tap. It will keep the color concentrated on the brush. And then when you go to put it on, you won't have all this color falling off. So again, right on the crease, little strokes. I'm always avoiding this little area because I want to keep my color over here to keep my eyes up. Okay. Doesn't that give that nice sultry, smoky, diffused look that looks so pretty on type 2s? Okay, now we're going to go to, I'll just do this plain wash. This is Milkshake. This is solid. Now I'm going to fill in all the area that I didn't, and this will just help to kind of blend and bring it all together. And then I love to add a little bit of shimmer. We'll stick with this soft brush. Just bringing it in right below the brow bone and into the middle of the eye. So you can go back, add a little more if you want, play around, bring some brown in, but I think that gives a lovely soft look. Let's finish off with the mascara, and then we'll move to cheeks and lips. I'm going to use chocolate, and this is a nice medium brown. Creates a softness around the eyes. You could go with the darker brown if you want. I kind of liked this medium brown just because I felt like it gave that little bit of smoky feel with a little bit softer lashes. Okay, then I always like to take my lash definer. I won't bore you with getting these too perfect on camera, but just a quick little brush through will help you get those clumps out and help really lengthen those lashes as they kind of move outward. Then for cheeks, I'm just going to keep a real soft cheek. I'm using Bella, very classic type 2 look color. It has the pinks in it, will match really well with the eye color. Now for lips, I want to show you two different things. I'm going to go with the kind of that deep red black cherry look with the lip oil. And then I want to show you how you can deepen a brown as well. So let's start with, this is boysenberry. I think these colors look really pretty together. The light blue, the deep cherry. And just using the lip liner, I've got the lip primer on. I'm not going to fill it in all the way because I want it to kind of create that softness right in the middle of the lip. And just let that kind of get dried out, real sticky, not sticky, but stuck to the lips. And then I'm going to take the lip oil. This is fabulous. It goes on so smooth, so hydrating, has no stickiness residue to it, glides on, creates such a beautiful finish. It has the feeling of Vaseline, just that slick, lovely. I like Vaseline on my lips. It feels really nourishing. That's what this feels like. Such a beautiful look. If you just want to keep it there, I think it gives the depth without being too intense. And as type 2s with those deep lips, that can sometimes just be too much. It creates, a richness or that higher contrast that we want to avoid. And so bringing in this boysenberry has a little bit, with the sheerness of the lip oil, creates that perfect softness. But as much as I really love this, I'm going to show you another look. Using the liner again, boysenberry. More just as a true lip liner in the area that time. I'm now going to add this Alexa. It's a beautiful brown. Brown lips are still on trend. I'm going to deepen it by combining. You wouldn't think to combine this deep boysenberry with this brown, but that's the fun. I love makeup because combining so many different colors, you start to feel like an artiste. You can have fun creating your own colors. going over it with the brown, you can see how that brings more depth. Have fun playing with the different color combinations, experimenting, giving yourself some grace as you move through trying new techniques. But I hope you'll try this beautiful diffused smoky eye look and this black cherry lip, deepening your lips and bringing in that beautiful romantic quality that you have.